He is so clean.
Hey, Cheesy.
Say hi. Say hi. No. He's not saying hi.
Why not?
What's he up? What are you opening?
Look at all these lovely presents.
Yeah. Look at this one. This is a lovely card. Look, sparkle. Sparkle. Who's that on there? Sparkle. Who's that? Winnie the Pooh. From Granny and Granda. Oh, look at this lovely present. Who's this from?
I think he's opening up everything. Just throwing it all on the floor.
Who's that from? That's from Ben! Oh my goodness! That's from lovely Ben! I hope you're just putting it on him, not on me.
Yeah, of course. Hey, what are you doing? You're climbing all over that present.
Look! Oh, look! Dominoes! Look! Dominoes!
Yeah.
Okay. Who's this present from? This present is from Uncle Ajay. Should we open it up?
You're going to be able to open that, Dylan, rather than climbing on it. Yeah. Open it up. Wow, look at that. And look, you've got your baby Tad. Yeah.
Oh, Dylan, look what you have. Look what you have. Oh, did you get that? Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Bring this side. Dylan.
Oh,
Is it? Shall we open it up?
he's riding on it already. You're not supposed to ride on the cardboard boxes.
Could be silly. He's a baby. Let's cardboard box. Should we open it from the bottom? Come on, get up. We're going to put it out. Oh, look. Look. This is the bit you sit on. Oh, look, you sit on that. You're going to sit on it? Are you going to sit on it? It's not quite right, obviously.
Look at that. Giddy up, horsey. Giddy up, horsey. Horsey. Is it a horsey? No, it's a car.
I'm going to put this on.
I think I might pause the video somehow because we could be here a while, couldn't we?